Ladies and gentlemen, we have a textbook example of the three-strike rule on SPY. 12:30, second to last trading day of the year. We open 587.92, and this thing basically just chugs along down three strikes to 585. And now all the three-strike rule is, the first time you touch +3, -3, we're -3 here. If it does not nuke and push through it like immediately, it's going to bounce or it's going to nuke, okay? Obviously have plenty of chances from here at 10 o'clock on to 10:37 to break lower. It doesn't. And if you look at the bulls, even if we turn the win rate here, not great, but you are getting a ton of bulls, right? So if you're trading this, trading the open, okay, gotta be nervous that this thing's gonna fly up, especially when you have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 chances to break the 585 strike. You know what they ended up doing? Something we call window theory, which is basically if you're below the blue, above the blue, and you return to the blue line, which is the opening price during the window, 10:30 to 11:30-ish, it's probably going to keep going. And that's exactly what happened here. And you're getting tons of alerts. Look at that. That's a 100% the last 30 days, 51.35%, and you win. No drawdown. Perfect, perfect, perfect. These, they win. They're a little bit late. You take them at KTR, even freaking better, right? 141%, virtually no drawdown. Getting that in an hour and a half. So what happens when we get up here? This is +3, okay? You're +3, and once again, when we're looking at this, you have every chance imaginable to break 591. And it looks like it's going to do it, and it looks like it's going to do it, and it looks like it's going to do it. But if it doesn't do it, it's going to pull back. And we go to the same thing. We flip it. It's like, okay, there are a ton of bears coming in here. 61.90% win rate in the last 30 days. I mean, KTR for these killed it. 320%. Because why? What did they do? They mean reverted this thing all the way down to 588.29, 37 cents higher than the open. Now this is a common Wall Street tactic, especially because pre-market we open super low and they have an entire session where we close at the open price. Even though it went lower, it went higher, we actually went nowhere. That was a session on SPY. Looking at Q, we had lower volume here, right? So lower volume, we expect mean reversion, and that's exactly what we got. Same thing, okay? You get up here to +3, has every chance to break higher. It doesn't do it. And if you were still here at the end of the session, I mean, 69.05% win rate, 316%, no drawdown. If you were here in the last 5 minutes, you're getting 111%, buying and holding until the end. That is beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. IWM, not as nice today because it's never as nice. They took this thing to the blue and then they ping-ponged it the rest of the session, basically closing right there. IWM, while it is the kingmaker, if it's going to go, it goes. On the days that it doesn't and it's not hitting a strike above or below, it just stops. It just dies. And that's what happened today. SPY had the highest volume, biggest returns, and, you could have crushed it both ways. And then just know that when we get up this high, you got to be nervous. Let's hope tomorrow, last day of the year, we get some more epic action.